As we creep closer to installing on Ōtākaro Orchard's green roof, we wanted to check it out and see how it's progressing and what exactly makes it a green roof.
All the way from Germany, Zinco solar bases and solar frames. They are made out of stainless steel. The bases themselves are made out of recycled polyethylene. Highly German engineered to do the job of holding down the solar array, resisting the uplift forces of wind without needing to penetrate the membrane roof, which is a massive benefit. Fundamentally, this is pretty much a world-leading best practice solution. The soil or growing medium itself provides the hold down force using these solar bases over here.
Once we have the substrate ready, we'll be ready to put the product on, put the substrate on, and once they're in place, then we can get the solar panels and they'll be installed. The next step in us being able to implement this green roof is to raise the money for the substrate, which isn't so cheap considering it's made up of pumice and zeolite and these special ingredients. We're just about to launch a Pledge Me campaign to raise the money for finishing this building in particular, but also for getting the substrate for the roof, so then we can get the green roof on and get the plants planted. I think we'll be one of the first commercial buildings in Christchurch to have a green roof.